In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup's time tracking and reporting features. Whether you're managing a team or keeping track of your own productivity, Clickup's tools can help streamline your workflow and provide detailed insights into how your time is being spent. To begin, navigate to Clickup's website, which is your main hub for accessing all these features. Head over to the login page by clicking on the login button you see there. If you're already signed into your Google account, it makes logging in a breeze. Simply click the option that says sign in with Google. Once you've selected your Google account, you'll be directed to your Clickup dashboard. Here, you'll want to focus on any list you're currently working with. To find time tracking features, click on the three dots next to your chosen list. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll select templates. By choosing this, Clickup will present you with a variety of templates specifically designed to make time management easier. Next, click on Browse Templates to explore the available options. In the search bar, type time tracking to filter your results. You'll see a template called Consultant Time Tracking among the options provided. Click on it. When you do, you'll be given an overview of what the template includes, helpful for making sure it meets your needs. If you decide this template is suitable, click on Use Template. Now it's time to personalize it. Give your template a name that's both unique and descriptive. This will help you identify it easily later on. After naming, click Use Template again to finalize the setup. You'll now see that this customized template can be found within your workspace. Simply click on your newly created template to view it in detail. With your template open, you have the flexibility to edit the time tracker according to your specific project requirements. Perhaps you'd like to add additional tasks or adjust timelines to better fit your project schedule. If you need to add a new task at any point, the option to do so is readily available. This adaptability ensures that the time tracking tool remains an integral part of managing your projects efficiently. As you begin tracking time, Clickup will start collecting data, allowing you to generate insightful reports. These reports can help you make informed decisions by showing where efficiencies can be gained and where more effort might be needed. Understanding these aspects can improve overall productivity and project management. By following this guide, you'll be well equipped to manage your time effectively using Clickup's tools. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your productivity.